Why are some people afraid of things that most people find normal? How can we help these people? In this episode of Discovering Psychology, we're going to teach you the different approaches to solving these problems.
So one effective way to deal with patients' fears, for example, is the psychoanalytic approach, and we need to approach the problem from childhood experiences or anything in the past, and then find a solution to their anxiety that's caused by that problem. So, you're telling me as a child you were hit by a car?
Yes, that's correct, and it has terrified me since.
Well, one way we can fix that, for now, is you should avoid chasing balls into the street and look both ways, and it's a good idea to have someone walk you.
Okay, good idea.
Alright.
Another approach to solving people's problems is humanistic psychology. It focuses on bringing out the goodness in people towards higher levels of functioning.
I'm just having such a difficult time. I'm just dealing with my mom dying. I can't get motivated. I just don't know what to do.
What about helping the community? Because you know how you like to help your mother? What about helping other people?
Well, but if I help other people, then I'm always reminded of my mom and somebody who's not here, not living. And then I'm constantly reminded because I'm helping other living people. My cat died, and I don't have any living beings in my home anymore, and it just makes me really sad.
Well, do you think you would be more sending to live in your house and stay in there and just surround yourself with all this grief? Would it be better if you fulfilled your prophecy and go help the community and live for what you do, except help people who need it, instead of leaving yourself in this black hole that you're in?
But I was good at taking care of my mom, and my whole goal in life was to take care of her. And now I don't have a goal anymore because she's not here.
Would your mom want you to take care of other people?
Yeah. She probably would. She would be happy to know that I was continuing with my life and helping. Because that's what I'm the best at.
And that's your goal, is to make her happy, right?
Is to make her happy. And that would make her happy.
People's personality traits determine the way a person behaves. For example, this female loves to clean. She cleans all the time and she constantly thinks about it. When she's not cleaning or her house is dirty, she feels upset.
So another very effective approach to helping patients with their issues is cognitive approach, and that's what we try to get the patient to think positive thoughts instead of negative. So Zoe, tell us a bit about your dilemma.
I just feel like I'm such a mean cat sometimes because I hiss and I swat at the dogs that I live with, and sometimes my owner yells at me for it.
Well, it's an instinct for cats to do that stuff to dogs. I mean, they can be pretty scary. And think about all the good things that you do in the household, like sleeping with the owners to keep them warm, especially in the wintertime. You do more good things than bad things, you know.
Yeah, I guess you have a point.
Social learning is when people modify their behavior based on past experiences and what they learn from society. For example, this dog once got sunburned and then watched a show on people getting skin cancer. Ever since, the dog has been afraid to go outside into the sun and has spent most of its life in this cage. Until next time in Discovery Psychology, I'm Rigo and this is Jacob Garcia.
Barbara Streisand.